Hello there, folks. It's a brisk day out here in Oklahoma. It's a chilly little 55 degrees or so. I don't know. But me and Chris are out here, you know.
Howdy.
Hey, I mean Dale. Hey there, Dale. How's it going there, Dale?
Pretty good today.
Yeah, that's good to hear. Good to hear. So we're gonna come out here and we're gonna try and catch some northern strain largemouth. They don't have Floridas in here, do they, Dale?
Oh, I think so.
Oh, turns out they have some Floridas in here too. Okay, well, that's the plan. So, I got my rain jacket on here, you know, to kind of block the wind. Not so much because we think it's going to rain. We're trying to stay positive and keep the rain out of our minds. So, you know, here we are. So, I'm going to stop talking now and hope you all enjoy the video. Good luck to everybody.
Okay, good. Oh.
Oh my gosh! It's a whale! Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's.
Not that service.
Thanks for holding on to me. Thanks for grabbing my spinners there, Dale. Oh, he just came right up and picked it up, didn't he?
Hit so hard.
Oh, sand bass.
All right. Where are all fish at?
Well, if I were them,
I'd be right wherever my bait is.
yeah, I'd be on the end of my line right now. But it would appear as if I'm at the end of my rope. Tell you what, we sure are moving at a good clip. That's nautical talk for movement.
Moving to the starboard side there.
We've got to be moving there at about 5 knots there, Dale.
You may be right. I don't know about knots.
Well, you
My granny
tie some really good ones on your fishing line there, Dale.
Same thing. I tie granny knots.
I see this is going to be a little too deep for this here crankbait.
I tie all my knots like shoestrings. I can just untie it when I'm ready to change lures.
Hey, is this a long point?
No, it's over there. This is a cut, Bob.
Ah, it's a little cutback K there, Dale, old boy. You having trouble standing there? Couple too many lagers, eh? Those Labats will get you. Forgot, but I had a chatterbait hanging off the boat there, Dale. It's got a bunch of grass on it. I don't think it got down the toolies. I think it's in that filamentous algae. Yeah, she's a little dirty. You dirty girl. You're gonna get spanking. I have a fish. Oh God, it's just embarrassing. It's another spot. Hold on. You know, they sure are pretty little bass, though. They sure are pretty. Oh, look, he's my friend. He's my friend. Look, he's just hanging out with me. Okay, go back, friend.
Guy. Is that not your friend, guy?
Well, I'm not your guy there, pal.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I'm not your buddy, friend.
Hey, guy.
You know, I say that, but I did feel a bass yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah, yesterday night. It wasn't mine. It was yours. But I grabbed her by the lip.
Well, what'd you do that for?
I had to touch her face.
Do what?
I had to touch her face.
Well, sometimes I like to touch the face.
I just want to touch their face. I like to grab them. Grab them, just say, hey, you know what? I care about you.
I care about you. Come back sometime.
Yeah,
You're not so bad. Kind of a horse way of,
I know we like,
you need to go.
we really just got to pick you out of your home there, but, you know, we always send you right back.
Yeah, we just want to take a picture. Share the memory. Bragging rights.
Create the memory.
Now that I think about it, sometimes I feel like a predator.
I would say you're a predator for sure.
Yeah, you know,
Especially with that mustache.
Yeah.
Hey, I got a little fish again. I tell you what, these little guys sure do love this crankbait. Hey, that's a largie too. Hey. Oh shoot, I got him in the gill. He's bleeding. He's bleeding like a stuck pig.
Pour some Mountain Dew down his throat and turn it loose.
Oh, turns out I only punctured his gill. He'll be okay. As long as he holds still while I get this hook out of his mouth. You'll be alright. Going back now. Oh, bass blood on my hands. Should I lick it? Well, that's
Oh, stop doing my swimming.
That was-
I broke my arm.
oh, two of them. Yep. That was unexpected.
Want to take a picture of that?
Yeah,
You get it on camera.
sure did.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Got it on camera right there.
Hello.
Well, folks, it's been a tough one. We gave her hell, and well, it's gotten a bit windy and a little wavy out here. If this video makes it, you know I made it out alive. And if somebody else finds this, tell my wife I love her. I've turned to an Irishman. It's been a long day. Now I'm British. What other accent can I do? The wind is very, very bad. I will show you the water and the boat now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good there. Woo! little sketchy. So, I feel like we're true northerners. I don't, guys. Today sucked. It sucked. Bottom line, sucked. So, again, if you see this, thanks for watching. If you find this, tell my wife and kids I love them. Oklahoma's worst angler. Signing out. I feel like I should give an update, even though I already like said, you know, we'll see you later. We're alive.
Yeah.
We're alive. That was very sketchy. This is standing water in the boat. This is what is still draining. Standing water with the batteries.
What's up to here?
Up over the batteries. Tackle bag soaked. Everything inside soaked except the camera. Camera stayed dry because I kept it elevated. We almost got lodged on the dam. How long did it take us? An hour and a half?
Yeah, probably.
Which would normally take us 15 minutes
Yeah.
to cross. We almost got stuck on the dam. We had to use the little retriever to keep pushing ourselves along. We had to use these paddles as well. It was
Advice to anybody: get a boat with a motor, not a trolling motor. It's a gas motor.
or check your weather conditions a little more carefully. That's it. Now I'm really signing off. I just wanted to give an update because we're alive. McDonald's?
Yeah.
Sweet.